In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Steam Wallet code. To get started, open the Steam desktop app, the Steam mobile app, or go to the Steam website in your browser. Sign into your own account just like you normally do. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your account name. From that drop-down, choose Account Details. This page is where you manage purchases and your wallet balance. On this page, click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. You'll see several options. Choose Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code to open the redeem screen. Now you'll see a single input box. Carefully type your Steam wallet code exactly as it appears on your card or in your email, or paste it if you copied it. Take a moment to double-check every character. It's easy to confuse O with 0, or I with the number 1, and occasionally hyphens get copied with extra spaces. If you paste, make sure there aren't any leading or trailing spaces, and don't add hyphens unless you see them. Steam can usually handle either format, but accuracy saves time. When your code looks perfect, click Continue, or tap the Confirm button on mobile to submit it and finish redemption. If Steam needs more information to set the correct store region and currency, you may be prompted for your billing or home address. Enter your real location details so the wallet currency matches your store, prices display correctly, and your future purchases go smoothly. After a successful redemption, your Steam wallet balance updates immediately. You can see the new total at the top right account area, or by returning to Account Details where your balance is listed. That new amount is ready to use at checkout for games, DLC, in-game items, and more. If you don't see the number change right away, give it a moment and it will update. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.